Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix VeryFit app not working. So if you're having problems that your VeryFit app that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did myself is that I firstly closed my VeryFit app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And then here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general and as you can see you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage in here. And now we're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load in here and then scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on the search bar, search for VeryFit here and then just click on this app. Then click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. And now we're just going to wait and then click on the blue button here once again. Now just wait for your VeryFit app to completely update to its latest version. So this is what I did, and when it was done, I just went back into the app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.